Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. People, much love and appreciation. So people, news coming out of Florida. One dead, one injured after shooting during a birthday party in Lauderdale Lakes. So people say after an early morning shooting in Lauderdale Lakes, partygoers left behind bottles of liquor, speakers, chairs, tables, and a Jamaica Ludi board. So you know what that means, people. Some Jamaican involved. So people say Antonine Scotsman died on Sunday after deputies and fire rescue personnel did what they could to save his life. According to the Broward Sheriff Office, he was 33. An argument occurred between several individuals that escalated into the shooting. A BSO spokesperson said in a statement, "The investigation is ongoing." A man at the house said bullets were flying during a birthday party for his sister. Deputies reported finding Scotsman and another man wounded after a shooting at about 12:20 a.m. outside a Coral Pink house along Northwest 35th Court near 34th Terrace. Broward Sheriff fire rescue personnel took the men to a nearby hospital where Scotsman later died. The other man was getting treated for non-life-threatening injuries. According to the Florida Department of Corrections, Scotsman had been released from prison on November 8th. His record included conviction in Broward County for robbery and grand theft auto. So come to find out, people, this youth is part of Squash Entourage in Florida. Them call him Hellgate, aka Bones.
Hellgate shot boy anywhere we kill man. Yeah. Hellgate striker, boss man jelly. Not this.
Yeah, people. So everybody knows Squash was detained by ICE recently. So a lot of people in the comment section are say, yo, the Sixer get mashed up, sacrifice at his best. Who did see that wanna come? Another person say heard he was working with the feds. That's why they sent him to hell. Another person say wonder if he must sell out Squash and Squash send for him. So people, drop in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this one, people. Alright, bless up in yourself.